Good morning, dear students. We are going today to continue cell. So, already I have explained you what is cell and who discovered the cell. Here about the cell, actually two types of cell are there, plant cell and animal cell. Separately, we will read about them also, but here now in general about the cell. The cells are bounded by an outer covering called the cell membrane. This is the living part of the cell, and in plant, the cell membrane is again covered by an extra covering which is known as cell wall. The cell wall is hard, rigid, and non living in nature. Cell membrane is living in nature, but cell wall is non living in nature. And the living part of a cell, which include the cell membrane, is called the protoplasm. So, altogether, the cytoplasm and nucleus is known as protoplasm. It is again divided into cytoplasm, the jelly-like medium that fills the cell. Inside the cell membrane, we can see the jelly-like medium, the jelly-like substance is there, which is known as cytoplasm. And many floating or many floating parts are there inside the cytoplasm, which is known as cell organelles. So all living cells constitutes this basic structure, and organelles are the structure inside the cells that have a specific function. It is inside the cell in the cytoplasm, and it performs some specific function which contribute towards the overall functioning of the cell. So, structure of a cell and its parts. One by one, we will read about all the parts of the cell. But before that, just listen here one activity. The activity is to observe the structure of a single cell. Hen's egg is a single cell. Here we will observe that single cell. So materials required is a hen's egg, a beaker, vinegar, blue dye, a plate, a needle and a torch. Procedure, what we can do here? Take the egg in a beaker and soak it completely with vinegar. Vinegar, sirka, which is available in your kitchen. Soak this egg completely in the vinegar. पूरी तरह से डूब जाना चाहिए. Then add blue dye to the vinegar. Keep it overnight. Whole night we will keep it in the vinegar. You might need to drain out the solution and soak it once more till the time the egg cell gets completely dissolved. As it is vinegar, so the egg cell will completely dissolve in this solution. So one more time we have to soak it after draining out the solution. And then gently purse the soft outer covering with a needle. When the egg cell will dissolve in the solution in the vinegar, then soft outer covering we can see there. We have to pierce with a needle and let out the contents of the egg on a plate. After piercing, we will see that the content of the egg will come out. Take it on a plate. Shine a torch light and observe the content. Take a torch, light it, and observe the content. What will be the observation? What you will see, draw in your notebook. And what we can see here? What you hold after the egg cell is dissolved completely is a cell. When the egg cell, the outer cover, is dissolved completely in the vinegar, and the part left there with a thin membrane is known as cell. However, egg is a special kind of cell which carries enormous amount of food in the form of egg yolk. The yellow portion of the egg represents egg yolk. It is cell's nucleus. It represents cell's nucleus. And the white part of the egg is the protein portion. It is protein and it is known as albumin. Egg yolk and albumin. So, this you can see and study about the cell.